like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan, yeah.
Hey y'all, so we're gonna jump right in. This unit that I'll be rocking today is from YGWigs. They sent a comb, a bunch of goodies, a band, another band, a wig cap, and this is the unit. This is their 13x6 fake scalp lace loose wave Brazilian virgin hair wig, and it does have the fake scalp, as you guys can see. Basically, a fake scalp is like a wig cap laid underneath the lace. That way it, you know, will mesh better, and it does come with a removable adjustable strap. I'm just brushing my hairline back, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a wig cap to this head. So I'm trying on the wig so y'all can see what the fake scalp look like before I alter it to fit me. But that is what it looks like. It's a little bit too pale for my liking, so I am going to apply some foundation on it. But yeah, it has combs, adjustable straps, all that. Making sure I like what it's given before I go ahead and cut the lace. So I did cut the lace off camera. I cut my lace off before I leave my wigs. It's just easier for me. You can leave your lace on if you want to though. I'm gonna use a little bit of Got to Be Glue freeze spray, a lot of it. No, I don't use that much though, for real. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and use the band that they sent, and I really like this band because it's really stretchy and it's gonna melt that hairline down. Okay, so here I am brushing the hairline back. I'm brushing it back, I'm brushing it back, I'm brushing it back or whatever, so I can see what I need to adjust on it. So y'all get what I mean. I'm combing it back, not brushing it back, but it's the same thing. Y'all get what I'm saying. So boom, then make up all of that. So we're gonna go ahead and style the unit up. It already comes with the curls in it, so that's bomb for me. So I'm just flat ironing the top or whatever, and I decided to go ahead. I was gonna wear it in the middle part like it came, but then I decided to do a side part because that was just looking better for me. I wasn't really feeling the middle part, so that's why I'm readjusting the part here. And this unit fit on my head so good. Like, look at them side tabs. I did have to apply a little bit more freeze spray because I didn't apply enough right there and it was lifting. I put a little wax stick into the hair, and I'm gonna do a little bit of touching up with my wand curl, but it does already come styled, so that's bomb. So you can basically put this unit on and roll out. I had to adjust the part. I'm gonna apply a little bit of freeze spray to help, you know, form the part a little bit better. And I'm just, you know, adjusting it. I am gonna add some foundation to the parting to make it look more realistic. I said I needed to work for me, and then I'm just, you know, combing it up, doing my little final touches. And this is what the hair looks like from the back. Super full and bouncy. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. This is what the hairline is giving. It's giving natural, no baby hairs. Okay, yes, I'm loving it. It's so beautiful. It's giving me doll vibes. Yes, cute. Okay, so as you guys already know, this unit is from YGWigs. So this is their 13x6 fake scalp loose wave unit. It does come pre-styled. It already came with these waves in it. All I had to do was touch it up. As you guys saw, I didn't have to do a whole lot to the unit. So this is my first time ever having a fake scalp wig. Fake scalp, no scalp, whatever you want to call it. This is my first time ever trying one, and I will say that I actually really do like it, but I just wish that you guys will offer it in different colors, because the scalp that it came with was a way too light for my skin tone. So of course I had to apply some foundation to it or whatever to make it fit for me. But I actually did really like the fake scalp, but I do wish that it already came like brown or a color to match like chocolate skin, because like the fabric that they use, like the cap, it is a little bit thicker, so it was kind of hard for me to get the foundation to penetrate the scalp. And then I ran out of like lace tinting spray, so I couldn't use that, which I think that would have got through to the scalp. So that is why you guys see me still put a little concealer, because I need to make sure that it looks right for me. But I do like the concept of the fake scalp, because if you are one of those people that do not like to wear wig caps, this will definitely come into handy for you. But yeah, I just wish that it was a different color, but I do like the concept. This is HD Swiss lace, and I really do like HD Swiss lace because it looks so good. Like, I didn't have to apply, like, I didn't have to do baby hairs, and I'm loving it. Like, lately I haven't really been like in the baby hair mood for my wigs, so I've been enjoying just wearing my wigs without baby hairs, and it's nice that I could wear this unit without baby hairs. Like, it still looks really good. The only other thing I would say with the fake scalp is at the seam they flipped it under, so that's why y'all can still see that it's like a little white. Like, you can see the different color. It's because they flipped the fabric under instead of just clipping the fabric. So I would suggest not flipping the fabric over. I mean under. They flipped the fabric under. I would suggest not doing that. Like I was saying, I would suggest not doing that, because like I said, it made it harder to like camouflage it. But that's the only like cons that I have about it. But I really like YGWigs. They always come through. They have some of the most easiest wigs to install because of their lace. They always have the HD Swiss lace, and it just lays so seamlessly, so perfect. And for those of y'all that are not into the baby hair, you don't have to have baby hair. And it does come semi pre-plucked. You can pluck your unit some more if you would like. And your units always work so well with my little hairline. So I'm enjoying the unit. I like that it came pre-styled. Obviously, once you wash it, these curls will fall, but I believe since this is loose wave hair, you still will have a bit of a wave. They just won't be as tightly curled as this, but you still definitely will have a wave there, and it'll still be curly. So I really like this. This unit is really cute, and I really like this inch. It is 20 inches, but it is curled, so this is what it looks like pulled down. But it is currently curled. But I love this length of hair on me. I feel like it is so flattering on like my more like rounder face. I just think it looks good. And it did come in the middle part, but I changed it to a side part because I feel like with these curls, it flattered my face a lot more. You know, you gotta do what works for you. You gotta do what's gonna flatter you, girl. Like, you gotta do what is gonna flatter your face. When you get these wigs, you have to make these wigs customized to you, to your look, how you want to look. So I'm gonna go ahead and rate this unit, and I will be rating this unit a B+. Only because I feel like y'all gotta offer the fake scalp in different colors. For different flavors, you know? Really, overall, I really love this unit. It's really pretty. It is so flattering on me. Like, I love how it looks on me. I love how it looks on me. I look like a Barbie doll. I look like a little dolly. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out YGWigs. Everything about them will be in the description box. The wig that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.